Let's learn the most common words in English that make up around half of the words in written texts. Number 1. The dog was happy. Number 2. And. My friend and I went to the cinema. Number 3. A or a big red car. Number 4. 2. I went home to my house. Number 5. Said. She said she was coming. Number 6. In. She went in the car. Number 7. He. He loves her. Number 8. I am tired. Number 9. Of. One of a kind. Number 10. It. It is beautiful. Number 11. Was. I was there. Number 12. You. You are calm. Number 13. They. They are coming. Number 14. On. I am sitting on a bench. Number 15. She. She is relaxed. Number 16. Is. The building is tall. Number 17. For. There is one for you. Number 18. At. She is at school. Number 19. His. There's his bag. Number 20. But. I like oranges, but I prefer pears. Number 21. That. That boy is chilled. Number 22. With. I am coming with you. Number 23. All. We are all calm. Number 24. We. We are going. Number 25. Can. We can see. Number 26. Are. We are happy. Number 27. Up. I picked her up. Number 28. Had. I had a nice time. Number 29. My body feels calm. Number 30. Her. There's her scarf. Number 31. What? What would you like for dinner? Number 32. There. She is over there. Number 33. Out. We are going out on the town. Number 34. This. This drink is lovely. Number 35. Have. Have we met? Number 36. Went. I went to the party. Number 37. Be. Please don't be late. Number 38. Like. I like watching films. Number 39. Some. I ate some pizza. Number 40. So. The gift was so thoughtful. Number 41. Not. Do not run. Number 42. Then. Come over then. Number 43. Were you there? Number 44. Go. We must go. Number 45. Little. The little dog. Number 46. As big as a tree. Number 47. No. He said no. Number 48. Mum. My mum is coming. Number 49. One. There's one cake left. Number 50. Them. Do you want some of them? Number 51. Do. You can do it. Number 52. Me. She's coming with me. Number 53. Down. It's floating down the river. Number 54. Dad. Dad loves bikes. Number 55. Big. The apple was big. Number 56. When. When are you coming? Number 57. It's Wednesday. Number 58. See. I'll see you tomorrow. Number 59. Looked. She looked calm. Number 60. Very. You are very sleepy. Number 61. Look. Look over there. Number 62. Don't be late. Number 63. Come over later. Number 64. Will you drive? Number 65. Into. Go into detail. Number 66. Back. Come back soon. Number 67. From me to you. Number 68. Children. The children were at school. Number 69. Him. Help him out. Number 70. Mr. Mr. Rogers was the science teacher. Number 71. Get. I'll get the cake. Number 72. Just. He just left. Number 73. Now. They are coming now. Number 74. Came. They came yesterday. Number 75. Oh, I forgot. Number 76. About. It's about a boy and a girl. Number 77. Got. I've got your keys. Number 78. They are taking their time. Number 79. People. There are lots of people in this town. Number 80. Your father is coming. Number 81. Put. put it over there. Number 82. Could you come at 7? Number 83. House. The big red house. Number 84. Old. The old man's shoe. Number 85. 2. Can I come too? Number 86. By. He is sitting by his friend. Number 87. Day. Today is a good day. Number 88. Made. I made some porridge. Number 89. Time. We have lots of time. Number 90. I'm nearly done. Number 91. If. She asked if I can help. Number 92. Help. Can you help me? Number 93. Mrs. Mrs. Davis teaches geography. Number 94. Called. She called me on the phone. Number 95. Here. Please come here. Number 96. Off. I got off the bus. Number 97. Asked. He asked for a lift. Number 98. Saw. I saw a dog. Number 99. Make. I love to make cakes. Number 100. An. I love to eat an apple a day.